Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this beautiful 2018 Mazda 3, and in this video I'll show you how to change your headlight bulbs in this car. So let's start. It's actually a very simple procedure. Pop the hood. Raise the hood. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to show you on this side since it's a little bit more complicated. So here we have our low beam light and high beam light. Okay, in case if your bulbs are out, this is gonna be the one for the high beam. You just spin it, pull it out, disconnect it from here, just pressing this middle piece and then pulling on a bulb, it's gonna come out. This one is simple because it's right here, easy to get, easy access. The little bit trickier thing is with the headlight, with the low beam, since there's very limited space here to get your hand inside. So what I found out is, what I do, you just open this air filter housing and raise it up, just like this. Okay, now we have access to get to our bulb. The bulb is inside in here. I hope, oh, I'm gonna try to show it to you some. Okay, you're gonna see it from here. Okay, you see there's a bulb, it's right here. So what do? You're gonna do the same thing like you did here, but you get your hand inside and get it in, spin it, pull it out, and now you have access to your bulb. Okay, and you can get it out and change it, and simple, everything's nice. Then again, okay, can't see from here, you just put the bulb in the spot, spin it, secure it, and you're all set. Okay, so you can practice on this side first. Just spin it, pull out, put it in, close it, and do the same procedure here. And this will help you to get your hand inside, and you'll be able to do this. To put the cover back on, this air filter housing back on, just lower it down. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna try to, you see these notches, they should go inside, so like this. Okay, and then just close again these covers. That's it. This is how you change the headlight bulb in this car. Same thing is here, totally same thing. High beam from this side and low beam is going to be from this side, from here. Okay, you can actually get to it. It's doable, for user friendly, I would say. So guys, I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.